Today we're working on Excel Lesson 5, the fourth lesson, changing the zoom. And so this is what you should have opened up. Step 1 says on the View tab, in the Zoom group, click Zoom. So we're going to click the View tab. Here's the Zoom group. We're going to click Zoom. In the Zoom dialog box, click 50% and then click OK. And that made it so small that old people like me cannot read it. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. On the status bar, the status bar is this bar down here at the bottom. Click 100% and then click OK. So I click down here. I'm going to click 100%. Click OK. Hint, you can also quickly set the zoom to 100% on the View tab in the Zoom group. Click 100%. So back where we were, you could click there. But it's showing you there's different ways and places that you can zoom. Mark that and go to the next one. Select cells E17, E17 to G23. On the View tab in the Zoom group, click Zoom to Selection, and voila. On the View tab in the Zoom group, click 100%, and it takes it back. So it just shows you that you can zoom to a selection that you select and then zoom back to where you were. So mark that as answered. Submit. 3 green checks. There they are. So this completes changing the zoom.